one of the standout factors of this ongoing exercise is the use of technology. Very fast technology, and it takes a few seconds to vote. It doesn't take long. It's very user-friendly, very efficient, seamless, and the method of relaying results is even faster than even what the IBC system uses. We are going to get results within minutes, and these are electronically submitted results, and there is no intermediary in between. There are no physical forms and all the things that needs to be verified. It's all electronic. So within less than half an hour, maybe an hour at most after the voting closes, we'll be having results from across all the 18 counties.